not it.
Hands up! Hands up the window!
Use your hand! Open the door! Show me your hands!
Did y'all even read the tag?
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. While driving to meet some friends at the beach, Lanisha Hemingway was pulled over by 3 officers of the North Myrtle Beach Police Department.
Control, can you go ahead and 10-3 the channel? I'm getting ready to do a high-risk stop. Turning now, I'm trying to get up to it. It's not it.
That's not it. You heard that right. Officer Kayla Wallace knew they had the wrong vehicle, but still drew her weapon and threatened the teenager with deadly force instead of calling off her partner and de-escalating their manufactured conflict.
It's not it.
Hands up! Hands up the window!
Show me your hands! Show me your hands!
Hands up the window!
Driver! Use your hand! Open the door! Use your hand! Open the door! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Step out of the car, face away from me! Face away from me! Face away from me! Show me your hands! Walk back to the sound of my voice! Walk back to the sound of my voice! Walk backwards to the sound of my voice! Alright, stop! Stop! Get on your knees! Stay there. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind. Yeah, in just a second, all right? Give me a second. All right. What? All right.
The fuck?
Stand up.
Hands at the vehicle stop. Where you at?
We're at Highway We're at Circle K, 46 South. All right.
I'm confused.
So we got a hit that your car was stolen.
I hit that my car was stolen.
Yes.
Y'all can't put my registration in, everything.
Okay. All right.
I'm only 18. Y'all
All right.
just did this and then y'all put y'all
Car's
down on me.
report stolen, dear.
How my car's... Bro, let me call my mama. Let me call my mama. Did y'all even read the tags? No, y'all did not. Let me call my mama. And y'all got me in this fucking handcuffs. Like,
Give me a second.
And then gonna tell me to get down on my knees. This car ain't fucking stolen. The fuck? Y'all got me fucked up.
That's not it.
The fuck?
All right.
Alright, shit.
Listen.
Y'all got me fucked up.
Okay. Listen. Here's what happened.
I don't want to hear shit. Bro.
All right.
Let me go. Fucking wrong with y'all. Next time we got to get right. Got me fucked up. Get the fuck out my way.
It should be noted that Lanisha was not speeding and had not violated any of the state's magic spells or traffic codes. The officer's license plate reader had told them that the car was stolen. And this is the second time in just a few short weeks that an incident arose from a false reading from a license plate reader. Previously, the officers took much longer to double check the information from their faulty computer system.
Driver, take 2 steps to the left with your hands up.
Just have them come towards the center.
Driver, take 3 steps to your
Face
left.
forward!
Face forward.
Face forward!
Face the other way. All right, stop.
What are you doing?
How many people are in the car?
Just her.
Just her.
Bring her back over to here.
All right, take a couple steps back. A couple steps back.
She's a special needs child. What are
Okay,
you doing?
that's fine.
You're not fine. She doesn't understand.
Keep going. Keep going.
Officer. She doesn't understand what's going on.
Stop talking.
Come back towards the sound of my voice.
She's 16.
Keep coming. Keep coming.
74, can you confirm tag November Mike name like Yankee 69 White Kia Forte?
Goodbye. Bridge 74, November Mike name like Yankee 69 2023 White Kia. That's not single 10.
Oh my.
License that was run was November Mike Lima 769.
Oh my God. Are you kidding me?
Wrong vehicle. So, wrong vehicle, guys, so be careful. We'll move up, clear it from the side. Okay. They got, ready?
Yep.
Clear it anyway. Just clear it. All right.
Passenger in the rear, step out, your hands
Okay,
up.
I'll bring it for you. Come out here. I'm gonna get you out of these handcuffs.
I was at the wrong vehicle. They confirmed it. It's stolen right away.
What's happening is that this car, it was coming back as stolen for the deputy that was behind you, but we've just confirmed that car is not stolen.
We had a hit on your vehicle saying that it was stolen. So you see that little camera that's right there beyond my my rear view mirror?
Yeah.
So that's also a license plate reader. Okay. So we got a hit on your vehicle saying that it was stolen.
But it's fully registered?
Yeah, which again, that's why I'm saying we had a hit on it, which is why we did what we did.
I'm getting a tenant. All right, we're getting the fuck out of here. Fucking morons.
Well, that sucks. Yeah, grow up, buddy. Yeah. Did I stutter? Yeah, people make mistakes. Get over yourself.
You could have got somebody killed.
Oh, get over yourself. You're such a
Hey, stay. Hey, 10-12.
This is what I'm fucking talking about people on this goddamn shift not knowing what they're doing.
To view that full video, use the links below. But in this case, Officer Wallace did well to check the license plate against her faulty equipment, but then failed to use the information to stop the egregious violations of Lanisha's civil rights. When using these computer systems, officers are still expected to check the information received from the license plate readers, and to speak up when they're wrong. They're also required to complete a public contact report and a use of force report, but neither of those were done either until the family contacted the department several days later to obtain information about the traffic stop. In response, Lanisha has now filed a civil rights lawsuit against the officers, the chief of police, and the city for gross negligence, negligent hiring and training, false imprisonment, 4th and 14th Amendment violations, and supervisor liability. But don't you worry, the department is expected to investigate itself, and of course, the taxpayers will be thoroughly punished for the officers' wrongdoings. Let me know what you think of this interaction in the comments down below. And if you liked this video, check out another one, linked on screen.